Well, hello. Today I'd like to welcome you to my first impressions of a hooded pen from Montblanc. But this isn't the mainline Montblanc. This is a Monte Rosa pen, which is their lower cost line for students. So the infamous bird splat is not on the pen. It's just sometimes kind of hidden on them, just sort of as a little imprint. Sometimes you fall in love, and love is it's a relationship. It's built up over time. It's built up over shared experiences. Sometimes your eye just gets caught and you fall in lust. This is a case of lust. We'll see if it turns into a love relationship, but as soon as I saw it, I wanted it. And bought it. So let's take a look at it. So this pen, nice plain blue pen. And, to try to put into words why I fell in lust, I don't know. It's plain and blue. Don't have an explanation. But man, Germany, Monte Rosa. I don't know a model number. There is no bird splat on it as far as I can see. Like my other Monte Rosa pen, it does have these diamond-shaped ink windows. The nib isn't even a gold nib, it's a steel nib. And I don't know if I'd call it hooded or semi-hooded, but probably semi-hooded. And then it's a piston filler. And feels fairly lightweight. The piston turning knob disappears fairly well. Little injection mark. And, what is this magic? I don't know, but I like this pen. Plain clip. So, I wanted a nice blue to put in this pen. So I haven't used this in a while. This is a Kyoiro Hara's Morning Snow. My first thought was actually the Quizzy Iron Gall Turquoise, and then I thought, maybe not in this pen. So we'll put an exotic Japanese ink in instead. And once more for luck. When I do it under the camera like that, sometimes I don't even realize, but the nib isn't even in the ink. But that one was pretty easy because it's a hooded nib, so. Alrighty, so I'm not expecting flex or anything. I'm actually looking at this pen like this would be the kind of pen you'd just do your daily writing with. And that's the level of performance I expect. If it flexes, I will be surprised. Let's be honest. And so in writing the name of the pen as best as I could, I'm not wrong. That is definitely a daily writer type of pen. Not a bad experience, just like I said, I didn't expect flex and I didn't get it. Little might be some line variation I'm seeing as I go along here. Wetness and flow. Seems to keep up. Smear test. Kind of on the dry side, which is fine. Like I said, I looked at this pen and I thought that's a daily writer. Reverse writing, if you're into that, is scratchy but serviceable. And finally, the world famous Peer Gustafson test. Okay, there was a little bit of skipping there, but the Peer Gustafson test is kind of an extreme test. One other test I always like to do, oops, I may have zoomed into myself a little too much. Yeah, it goes into my pocket without too much trouble. So, what do I think? I like it. We'll see if this lust relationship develops into a love relationship. But as a daily writer, I think it's got a kind of a unique look. It feels reasonably comfortable. The threads kind of get me on my finger a little bit, but not sharp. It's just that I know they're there. It's got a good feel on the paper, enough feedback the way I like it. Not a flex pen, not huge amounts of line variation, but there was enough line variation to give it some visual interest. So, so far I'm pleased with it. And time will tell if we fall in love. So, want to thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.